Don't want to show your face or talk on camera? Cool. Neither do I. Here's exactly how I'd build a full YouTube video using nothing but AI. No voice, no camera, no problem. First, I start with ChatGPT. I ask it to write me a short, engaging YouTube script on the topic I want to cover, like how to make money with faceless videos or the best AI tools. It gives me a clean outline and natural-sounding narration I can plug straight into my workflow. This is your script engine, fast, free, and crazy efficient. Next, I take that script over to ElevenLabs. This is where the magic happens. Instead of sounding robotic, ElevenLabs gives you ultra-realistic voiceovers that actually sound like a human. No voice training needed. It's drag and drop. Just paste in your script, hit generate, and download your voiceover. Link in the description if you want to try it out. Then I head over to Pictory. This tool lets you upload your voiceover and automatically generates a full video with scenes, transitions, and visuals. You can customize everything, swap clips, change text, adjust timing, but 80% of the work is already done for you. There are other tools like Lumen 5 or InVideo, but Pictory is my go-to. Now for the thumbnail, the click magnet. You can use Canva or even Photopea, which is free. Keep it simple, black background, bold yellow text, big contrast. This is what makes people stop scrolling. Don't overthink it. Once the video's ready, I upload it to YouTube. Add your title, tags, description, and your custom thumbnail. If you're using affiliate links, drop those in the description early, above the fold. Optional, add an outro scene, like the one I'm using now for a cleaner finish. And that's it. No face, no mic, no burnout, just the right AI tool stack doing the heavy lifting. Like this breakdown? Hit like, subscribe, and check out the links below to start your own Faceless channel today.